Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. Today I'm going to be opening the Accio Box for May of 2019. This box is, I'm pretty excited for this because I have exclusive items in all of Accio's box all the way up until September. Each of their box is themed around one of the books, so each year of school at Hogwarts. This is year 3. And spoilers, if you don't know already, I'm sure most of you probably already know, but the items that I'm designing for these boxes are alternate book covers for the actual books. So year 1, I did a book cover for book 1. Year 2, I did a book cover for book 2. And this is year 3, and inside this box, I have a book cover for year 3. Yes, I designed it. I know what it looks like, so I'm already kind of spoiled on that, but the quality of these book covers is amazing, and I can't wait to collect all of them. The only way you're going to be able to get these book covers is if you subscribe to Accio Box. I have a discount code, Muggle Magic, that's all caps, no space, and you will get 15% off your first box in a month-to-month subscription. Another really cool thing about Accio Box, if you're still on the fence, is that it's the only vegan and cruelty-free box in the fandom, which is a great thing to support. So yeah, there's that. So anyways, let's go ahead and open this box up. First off, we have the box, the packaging. It's pretty nice. We've got magic delivered. Let's go ahead and cut this thing open. And when we pull open the top, you're going to see the yellow tissue paper for Hufflepuff, because I am a Hufflepuff. Now, I'm going to try and grab some things out of here without actually looking at what I'm grabbing so that I'm not spoiled before I even take it out of the box. So here we go. First off, we have a large white box. What could this be? Now, remember, this is for book 3, so we've got Prisoner of Azkaban stuff, which this is like, I mean, I might say this is my favorite book out of them all, so let's see how they did. Here we go. Yes. Now this is cool. This is like a coffee thermos, and it says Espresso Patronum. As you can see, we have Harry's Patronus on here, and it says Espresso Patronum. So that's great. That's like, you know, that's kind of like a dad joke. So yeah, that is pretty cool. Let's see what else we have in this box. Oh, what is this? Ooh. So this is a sticker of Sirius Black's Azkaban number plate, which he holds when they take his mugshot. So yeah, that's pretty cool as well. I don't know if I'll actually put the sticker on anything or if I'll just keep this as is because it's pretty cool. All right, let's see. What else have we got in this box? Wow, okay, cool. So it's like a patch, but it's a tie in the colors of the house. So this is a Hufflepuff tie. It's pretty cool. It looks like it's an iron-on patch because it has like a thing you can peel off the back of it. So I'm like 99% sure this is an iron-on patch, but that's pretty cool. There we go. What else have we got in here? Besides the wiggly worms, we have the Leaky Cauldron, 1 Diagon Alley, London, UK. So this is a keychain for the Leaky Cauldron. What else could we possibly have in here? I already know one of the things, but let's see. This is a pin. It is a, oh, welcome to the night bus. It is a night bus pin. That is cool. Oh no, it's not even a pin. This is like a coin. That's so cool. This is a coin, and it says good for 1 ride on the night bus. It says, if stranded, stick out wand arm for emergency transport. And in the packaging, it says, use this coupon code for 10% off your next order from the Muggle-born Sisters Wizarding Shop. And they are, I believe, on Etsy, but it looks like mugglebornsisters.com. You can find them there, but it is Accio Save. So if you want 10% off, there you go. Let's see what else have we got here. I think there's only one item left, and I know exactly what it is. This is the next book cover. I have The Prisoner of Azkaban right here, and in order for these book covers to fit your book, what you want is the American early edition, first edition of this set of books, the hardbacks. So as long as you have that, these should fit. I also have my first 2 designs right here. So we've got the Book of Spells and Deadly Flora and Fauna. This is year 1, this is year 2. Now, let's get out year 3 and see what it looks like. Here it goes. I want to make sure it's right side up for you guys. Oh, there we go. Right side up. Here it is. There you go. And this is Magical Criminology. Look at that gold foil. So I went with kind of a purple-red theme for this, and I did Magical Criminology, of course, because of The Prisoner of Azkaban. And I just thought it would be really cool to have a magical law book. So now, to put this on your book, it's actually pretty easy, but I'll show you how right now. So we're just going to flatten this out on the surface of a table. You will take your book here, and we're just going to line up the spine with the actual spine of the cover here, and then you should just be able to sort of fold it around your book. And here we go. We have the spine right there, and as you can see, the front of the book right here, Magical Criminology, with a wand. See, this is how I did the design for this. There's a wand coming up, and we've got the scales of justice here, and sort of like a magical burst at the tip of the wand. And I thought that was a lot like the Ministry of Magic and stuff like that. So, yeah, that's why I went with that design. So yeah, here is the book, and I'm so happy with how these are turning out. This just looks so cool. And if we kind of stack it up with the other books in the series, there we go. It just looks so cool, and this is going to look so great on my bookshelf. But anyways, if I can't choose my own book cover as my favorite thing out of this box, if I had to choose like 2 items that are my absolute favorite, besides the book cover, because that is my number 1, I would say, honestly, this night bus ticket or coin to ride the night bus is awesome. I love the idea. It's just so cool, and it's just a little cool detail that is just really cool. So yes, this is my favorite. And then I would say my second favorite is probably this sticker. So yeah, there we go. What are your favorites? Let me know in the comments below what your favorite item or items were from this box. And again, if you would like to subscribe and start getting your hands on these book covers that I'm making, as well as other amazing items that come in this box, go ahead and use the discount code Muggle Magic. That's all caps, no space. And you'll get 15% off when you order. And yeah, there we go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.